In this video, I am going to explain you that how to draw the projection of a point when it is situated on the vertical plane and above HP. So right now, in the three-dimensional representation, that what it is about to be representing, that a point A is situated on the vertical plane and it is 30 mm above HP. So where it is about to be. So the previous first four problems, what we have seen with that, it was either about to be like in front or behind the VPs and above and below the HPs. So based on that position of the point, we were supposed to be making its exact location of which quadrant it belongs to. So right now over here, in this fifth problem, that what we are about to be seeing, that where we are about to locate the point A. So it has its existence now, neither in the first quadrant nor in the second quadrant. So which quadrant do we need to take it as consideration? So as of the thing that the point A, as of right now in the figure, you see it is on the VP. So he did not mention either in front of VP nor it is not mentioned behind VP. If it is about to be said that only mentioned with above HP, and if it is said if it is in front of VP, we consider it in the first quadrant. If not, so if it is behind VP, we consider it in the second quadrant. So right now the thing is that it is a dilemma that what to decide. So one thing that we need to follow, that whatever the preceding quadrant is having the existence of point, that quadrant we need to take it into consideration. Once again I repeat, so if a point is supposed to be having its existence in two quadrants, if it has its existence in two quadrants, right now it is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant. So the preceding quadrant is about to be given preference. So right now I supposed to take the existence of the point is in first quadrant. So now based on the first quadrant, we need to go ahead for drawing the 2D projections of this particular problem. So right now I am drawing it here. Drawing the XY line, taking the consideration, and with respect to XY line, it is about to be above the XY line, it will be the vertical plane, and below the XY line it will be the horizontal plane. Now with reference to this XY line, now we rotate the horizontal plane at an angle of 90 degrees in clockwise direction. So there we get the existence of the first quadrant here. Now over here, first let me go ahead for, before going for the 2D drawing, let me go ahead for its visualization. So first, if an observer seeing it from the front view, so the point A exists over here only, which is at a height of 30 mm. We mark it as A dash. We mark it as A dash. So which is it about to be here itself. And when the observer is seeing from the top view, the point is neither in front nor it is behind. So it is about to be having its existence when seeing from the top view. When seeing from the top view, it has its existence on the XY line itself only. So marking it as A. Marking it as small letter A. The same methodology we are about to mention it on the 2D projection, that which we say it as orthographic projection. Now with respect to XY line, it is 30 mm above HP. Take the dimensions of 30 mm, draw the locus line and mark the dimensions. This is generally what we say. It's about 30 mm above HP. On part of this, measure 10 mm distance. Locate the point over here, marking it as A dash. Now draw the projection line, touching to the point, touching here, marking it as A. This is what about the fifth consideration.